Alright students, today we are going to explore the fascinating world of adaptations, and how they play a crucial role in the survival and reproductive success of a species over generations. So, grab your notebooks and let's dive in. Adaptations are the traits or characteristics that help an organism survive and thrive in its environment. These adaptations can be structural, behavioral, or physiological. Structural adaptations are physical features that help an organism survive, like a bird's beak shape. Behavioral adaptations are actions that help an organism survive, like a bear hibernating in the winter. Physiological adaptations are internal processes that help an organism survive, like a camel's ability to store water in its hump. Variations in traits within a population are what drive the process of adaptation. Imagine a group of birds with different beak sizes. If there is a drought and only large seeds are available to eat, the birds with larger beaks will have a better chance of survival and passing on their genes to the next generation. This is known as natural selection, where individuals with advantageous traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. Genetic variation is essential for adaptation to occur. Genetic variation is the diversity of genes within a population. Without genetic variation, a population would not be able to adapt to changing environments and would be at risk of extinction. Let's look at some examples of adaptations in action. One classic example is the peppered moth during the Industrial Revolution in England. Before the Industrial Revolution, the majority of peppered moths had light-colored wings, which helped them blend in with the light-colored lichen on trees. However, as pollution from factories darkened the trees, the dark-colored moths became more camouflaged and had a higher survival rate. This led to an increase in the frequency of dark-colored moths in the population. Another example is the evolution of antibiotic resistance in bacteria. When bacteria are exposed to antibiotics, some may have a genetic mutation that makes them resistant to the drug. These resistant bacteria are then able to survive and reproduce, leading to a population of bacteria that is no longer affected by the antibiotic. Adaptations are not always perfect. They are simply the best solution that organisms have evolved to survive in their environment. For example, the giraffe's long neck is an adaptation for reaching leaves high up in trees, but it also comes with trade-offs, such as a higher risk of injury from falls. In conclusion, adaptations are the result of variations in traits within a population that allow organisms to survive and reproduce in their environment. Genetic variation, natural selection, and the interplay of structural, behavioral, and physiological adaptations all play a role in shaping the diversity of life on Earth. Remember, adaptations are not static and can change over time as environments change. This process of adaptation is ongoing and is crucial for the long-term survival of species. So, the next time you see a bird soaring through the sky or a fish swimming effortlessly in the water, take a moment to appreciate the incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in their habitats. As we continue to study adaptations and evolution, we will gain a deeper understanding of the intricate web of life on Earth and the amazing ways in which organisms have adapted to their surroundings. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for your attention today, and I can't wait to see what we discover next.